right at 11.
This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, weather permitting. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station West, X, North 74, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.50 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Smith County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings, or civil emergencies, affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of DeKalb, Jackson, Putnam, Smith, Trousdale, Wilson. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. In Nashville at 10 a.m., mostly sunny. The temperature was 56 degrees. Dew point was 45, and the relative humidity was 66%. Winds were...
That scared the crap out of me.
Airport in Fraser. It was mostly sunny and the temperature was 59 degrees. At Olive Branch, it was sunny and the temperature was 54 degrees. Elsewhere around the region. Signal was a test of the NOAA radio all hazards warning system on station WXK49, originating from the National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee, serving the Memphis listening area. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially designed receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed to the next day, weather permitting. If the severe weather threat persists into the following day, the test will be canceled for the week and return the following Wednesday, mainly between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and reliable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be sounded on WXK49 in Memphis, only for warnings in selected watches affecting the following counties in Arkansas: Hickman, Cross, Lee, Mississippi, and St. Francis. In Mississippi, Benton, DeSoto, Marshall, Tate, and Tunica. And in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Lauderdale, Shelby, and Tipton. To learn additional features about NOAA Weather Radio, including specific area message encoding, visit the NOAA Radio website at weather.gov/NWR.